There's a word used inside every dealership that you'll never hear a salesperson say to your face. It's called a spiff, and it might be the reason you got pushed towards the car you're driving right now. So exactly what is a spiff? A spiff is just a bonus. It's an extra payment beyond and above the commission that a salesperson may make on a vehicle. It can come from either the dealer or it can come from the manufacturer. By the way, my name is Cedric the Car Guy. I've got 25 years experience selling vehicles, and the whole purpose of the spiff is to help the dealership or the manufacturer move aged units, right? So if you have a car that's the previous model year and we're in January, February of the next model year, that car's gonna need a little bit of help to move. So either the dealership will put up a higher commission, a spiff, on top of the commission already that the salesperson will make on that car to help really expedite and get that car off the lot. Or in other scenarios, if the manufacturer's produced a lot of this series vehicle, let's say they overproduced too many Camry XSEs, the manufacturer, Toyota, may put up a spiff on their end from the manufacturer to where when the salesman sells it, they get an additional 100, 200, 500, whatever that number is, in addition to the commission that they would make at the dealership. Now let's take it a step further. You may walk into the dealership and now you have the new body style out, and that's the car you're looking at. And the old body style is still on the premises, is brand new. The salesperson may start pushing you towards that vehicle, and that's happening because there's a spiff on that vehicle to help move the older body style now that the newer body styles are also on the lot. So pay attention to that when you're in that environment, because they're pushing that car for a reason. There's an extra incentive from the dealership or from the manufacturer to get you to take delivery of that car when you might have came in for the other vehicle. Here's the key takeaway of this video. Salespeople know exactly which units have a spiff on them way before you ever walk in. That dollar amount has nothing to do with what's best for you. It's a way to determine which car gets pushed towards you. I can tell you this from experience. Anytime we had a flat on a previous year model truck, I would take anyone that was looking at any type of truck at all, or even if they were looking at cars and SUVs, I'd still take them over to the truck and at least just show it, just to get their quick opinion on it and see if there's any opening to move forward. Now, the people who were there specifically for a truck, it's game over. I'm pulling the truck out and I'm showing you every feature and benefit based off of what you told me was important to you. And I'm trying to see if I can make this truck work for you. And I'm promising you, I'm gonna make you a deal on it. I'm gonna get the price slashed. I'm gonna get you the lowest interest rate. I'm gonna find whatever rebates there are. I'm gonna make sure we overpay you for your car. Because guess what? If I sell this vehicle, I get extra commission from the dealership. It's a higher commission that I can make. Even if the dealership doesn't make money and they give away the truck, I don't care. All I care about is making a little bit more money for that particular customer that I'm on. And the benefit is I'm gonna make sure that they get a deal on this truck. So you might find yourself in that scenario. Just make sure before you even get to that point, you've done your research. Don't go in for an SUV or a car or a different type of truck and then they put you on this truck because there's a deal. If there's a deal that to be had on that truck, just make sure it's relevant to the vehicle you're already looking at. If you were looking at, let's say, a vehicle that had $35,000 MSRP and you're thinking you can get it for 31 based on your research, and this one's 38, just make sure it's comparable or even a little bit more discount on the one that's distressed that they're trying to push off onto you. Now, here's a couple quick ways that you can spot if a salesperson keeps showing you a vehicle that you think may be a vehicle that has a spiff on it. Number one, if they keep taking you back to the same vehicle that you're objected to, that car probably has a spiff on it. Number two, if there's a lot of different salespeople showing that same car, if there's like 7 or 8 of the same units, but everyone's showing this one particular one by itself, that car probably has a spiff on it and everybody's trying to sell that particular car. And then number three, a lot of times, out of sight, out of mind. So what they'll do is they'll put that car right in front of the showroom floor where the managers can see it. and all the salespeople are aware it's right there, it's right in front, and they want that car to get all the attention it possibly can because it needs to go away. Now, one thing you can do is you can just ask straight out and say, hey, does this car have an extra incentive if I buy this car from you? Is there an extra incentive on this particular unit? Is there a reason why you keep showing me this one? You can ask straight out. Now, I left a free guide down below in the description. If you want, you can click the link below, open that up, and you can take that resource with you when you go into the dealership to help you avoid a lot of these dealer tactics. Now, if you want to avoid the trap that I fell into the last time I bought a car, which was about 10 years ago, I had 16 years experience in the car business, and I still fell for this trap, I'm going to leave that video right here, and I'll see you there.